Hey Henry, Alex Marevka here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the beautiful 2015 Hyundai Genesis. This is a spectacular car, beautifully redesigned. As you can see, the front end completely different, ton of great features. You can get everything that you could possibly want on this vehicle. But here at Tameron Hyundai, we give you America's best warranty on top of that. 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited miles of roadside assistance. We double the manufacturer powertrain warranty and give you 20 years or 200,000 miles of powertrain coverage on every vehicle. So Henry, give me a call. My name's Alex Marevka. Set up a time for you to check this vehicle out in person. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Alex at Tameron Hyundai, 380-6250. Thank you so much.